Hello, it's Glenn here. We're gonna go golfing. Whoa, 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 whoa. The dog wants to show me how to golf. You hold your hand like that. Swing. No, actually. Oh, there's somebody coming. Who's that? Who's this guy? This is one of the many friends at Ouje on a four-wheeler. But me, I'll be on a bicycle. So we'll go for a short ride. Wait, I'll show you my bike. For those who haven't seen it, there it is. And there's those two crazy dogs. There's Dex is the brown one. Shippy, come. Shippy is the one that listens the most. So I make sure I call Shippy. I call Shippy in order for the other dog to come. So here we go. Whoops, sorry about that. I hope I don't make you dizzy. But we're gonna visit Ouje today. And right behind me, back there, is the school. Actually, I'm at the back of the school there. Okay? And just to make sure, normally there, when you set up your selfie stick, you're not supposed to see the stick. So we'll put it like that. Like that. There, that's good. And let's go. We'll go that way. We'll go at the center of the community, which is the company, border compensation, the museum, the band office, and the church. And then we'll ride in the middle of that structure there where you see the kids playing there. Hey, Shippy! You calm down. Hey! No, he's just that he doesn't like anybody near me. That's why. Come on, don't worry. He doesn't usually bite. Okay, that's Shippy doing too much security work for me. Sometimes he barks at people for nothing. All right. Wait a minute. Let me hold my selfie stick the right way. Oh, gotta get my balance here. All right. I hope you don't get too dizzy. And I hope my cell phone doesn't fall. But here we go. Now look at me sideways. Oops. Wait a minute. To gain control a bit. Okay. Driving with one hand. With a cell phone. At least I'm not texting. I'll go around on the other side so you can see the buildings yourself. We're on Ouje-Bougoumou Street right now. Center of the community. There's the post office behind me. And the company. And border compensation building. Can you see that? Some people still at work. And we're coming close. Next to the building is the museum and showrooms. You see it?
Hey.
I got a selfie stick, buddy.
Oh, what, man?
Look. I'm not sure you see him there, but that's Dusty up there.
Where did you get the selfie stick?
Oh, I bought that a long time ago. Last October. I use it for video, it's fun.
Oh, okay. Good night.
I'm showing people Ouje.
Cool.
See, there's a museum. And a lot of people come visit the... Huh?
Take a selfie.
That's a video. I'm showing people Ouje. Just the band office and the surrounding area. So we're gonna go. Next building is gonna be the band office, which is right there. This is Ouje-Bougoumou headquarters. Ouje-Bougoumou, Cree Nation. Wait, we'll park right in front of the building. Woo. There it is. Okay, now I'll try to let you know, show you where I'm going. So I'll hold a selfie stick the other way, like this. Oh, nice bike! That looks like Sydney Kunishish on a bike. Cool, I've never seen this. Must be having a time of his life. Time of his life. Look at that. Hi Sydney!
Hi!
How are you doing?
Good.
I'm showing people Ouje-Bougoumou, the van office. Short video.
Yeah.
Very cool your bike. And that's a Harley Davidson, by the way. Wow. Very nice. Enjoy your night.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Take you for a ride. There's Shippy. And there's the other dog, Dex. Video. There's the church. Ouje-Bougoumou. Beautiful building. And there's the place where I work. WAP 2A1 school. So I'm going to turn around here. Or we're going to go to the, we'll go to the center of the community. That building over there. It's a structure actually. And that's the place where the, in the past, since 1985, 86, 87, and beyond, that's where they were signing most of the agreements for this community to be built. I remember working on this path. I didn't do a lot, but there was a lot of landscaping that had to be done here. All this work in the center. You can visit this place if you go on www.ouje.ca. OUJE.ca. Here we go. Well, hurry up. All right, this is the structure. I remember being one of the people that helped paint the top here. Small job, but there's a lot of people that worked in this community to make it what it is. A touristic marvel. See? Take you for a quick tour. Woo! 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 Alright, we'll quit the video here for now. Unless you want to go for a ride with me. Woo! We're usually better with two hands driving down this thing. Woo! There's the dogs.